In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Apple Mail in 2025 with our full tutorial. Setting this up will help streamline your email communications and take advantage of the features both platforms offer. So let's dive in and get started. First, we need to begin by navigating to the Zoho Mail web interface. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol, often found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options, so don't be overwhelmed. We are only concerned with the integrations for our purpose today. On the left menu, look for the option that says Integrations. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new section. Here you'll find a plethora of integration options, but our goal is to focus on extensions. So let's click on Extensions next. Now you might be surfing through this page and notice the absence of Apple Mail, as it's not listed under Zoho's native apps. But don't worry, we'll take care of this through an alternative method. Your next step is to select non-Zoho apps. This option will open up a new window that offers flexibility for third-party app integration, which is exactly what we need. Once you are in the non-Zoho apps section, you might be wondering how to locate Apple Mail. Here's where the Marketplace comes in handy. Click on Install from Marketplace. This will redirect you to the area where you can search for different apps to integrate with Zoho Mail. Even though you can't find Apple Mail listed directly, we will proceed by utilizing IMAP configuration to establish the connection. Click inside the search bar and type Apple Mail. Now, since there is no direct support for Apple Mail in Zoho's Marketplace, you will need additional steps, which I'll explain. Don't let this step discourage you because IMAP is a robust and flexible protocol for synchronizing emails across different devices and applications. Make sure that your IMAP settings are enabled in your Zoho Mail before proceeding. Typically, you can check IMAP settings under the Mail Server settings in Apple's System Preferences. If your Zoho IMAP settings are properly configured, you will enter these details into Apple Mail's Add Account section. Typically, these details will include the incoming mail server, which for Zoho is usually imap.zoho.com, the outgoing server information, smtp.zoho.com, and your account details like the email and password associated with your Zoho Mail account. By following these steps, you will seamlessly bridge Zoho Mail and Apple Mail, making your email experience both efficient and coherent. Remember to always keep your software updated to the latest versions to avoid any potential compatibility issues in the future. And that's it, a straightforward and effective way to ensure you have access to all your communications in one convenient location. I hope this tutorial has helped simplify the process for you, empowering you to take full advantage of both platforms' capabilities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.